Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you something new from the Crafty Bonbons group. I don't think it's called Crafty Bonbons anymore. Well, the group is called Crafty Bonbons, but this box is called something else. And I can't remember, but I'll put it on the screen. I'm really sorry about that. So as you know, a year ago, I was sharing, for probably almost a year ago, I was sharing Crafty Bonbons boxes, and there are these monthly box that I purchase that has lots of journaling, planning, crafting goodies that you can use. So unfortunately, Ali has stopped. Ali and Debbie has stopped that now for now. But Ali has now collaborated with someone else who teaches calligraphy, I believe. And I'm pretty sure she has an Instagram account. The person has an Instagram account. So each box contains the tools and the instructions to learn traditional calligraphy. So I'm down with it. It's using a dipping pen and ink. This box is their first, and it's project based. So it's to make a wine glass lampshade, but we'll see about that. And you will learn one hand style of writing. And this month is unshow script. That's what it's called, I believe. I'm so sorry about the tick taps. That's my dog going crazy. So they apparently have chosen the unsealed first, as there's no separate upper and lower case to learn. So it's just like same overall, I'm guessing. The instructions and guidance are provided by Gwyneth and with some input from Ali. They're both, I think Gwyneth is the lady that teaches the calligraphy. So this is their collaboration box. So let's open this box. Oh, love it already. Look at that. Oh my goodness me. Right, as per usual, I am gonna save this sticker. You know me. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. And this tissue. Oh my goodness. Right, let's open this up. I'm so excited about this and really eager to know. Oh, what's that? It's a little box. Okay, so that's a very cute little pill box. Is it a pill box? Oh wow, that's a really cute pill box, like a tin. This is a black washi tape, I'm guessing. Yeah, I think it's black, plain black, which is great. Right, so here's the information about the box. So it's a collaboration between Crafty Ali and Gwyneth Hibbett, and they've called this box a Crafty PenGwyn. Isn't that cute? That's the Instagram details for Gwyneth, and that's Crafty Ali's Instagram. And this is sold in the Crafty Bonbons Facebook group page. So if you wanna buy this box or see future boxes, they do release it early, and then you get a special price for the group Facebook group member price. Yeah, before they I hope I'm making sense, before they sell it via Etsy. So yeah, that is so awesome. Okay, they've written my name on this card. That is so cool. So I think this is what we're learning. It's unsealed script, that is called. There's a card, information card about nib sizes and heights and pilot parallel pens. Wow, there's a lot to learn here, guys. So essentially, we're learning calligraphy, not just like those calligraphy that, you know, I can't even get on with, but I think this is proper calligraphy. This is proper calligraphy. So you then get two nibs that I guess is appropriate for this calligraphy thing. Oh, you get a decal. Oh wow, here we are. It says calligraphy, calligraphers do it with flourish. Oh my god, that is beautiful, isn't it? And then you also get a paper, like a stack of paper or a booklet to practice your calligraphy on. How cool. And then you get a whatchamacallit, a bottle of ink. Right, let's open what oh, it says something. It's a Sumi number 7. Oh, it says here, oh, it's got instructions to it. It says here, for beautiful light ink with good flow, dilute with small amount of water, although it can be used in normal concentration for its lovely black color. Wow. Okay, so it's black. We know that. Right, let's put it back before we have an unfortunate accident. Okay, so, oh, you get the nib and the thingy-me-bobs. Oh, I remember Ali giving me one of her like dip pen things back in the days. That was a few years ago, and I still have it now, and so I look after it and I love it to bits. It's one of those treasured memories. So you get this to put this in. Does that make sense? And then you get a calligraphy pen. Okay, so now you get, ooh, so it's information about Gwyneth Hibbett. I shall read that later on. And Ali Phillips. Oh, wow. And then there's something about the script that we're learning. It's called Uncial script, ancient form of lettering, used between the 4th and 8th century. Distinctive rounded shapes are clear and legible. The letters are majuscules and no lowercase versions. Oh wow, so I'm gonna have a good read through and then have a kind of a play. There's the uncial letters. So it says there, the height of the letters equals to 4 nib widths. So I guess what you can do, this is your practice pad, is to do them, isn't it? You should rule up writing lines in pencil, and there are 4 times the width of your nib. Okay. Okay. Oh, love this already. Oh, some uncial variation. So, oh my goodness, this is filled with information. So we can go through it together, I'm guessing, or if you want, you can buy the box and play on your own. So these ones are like, what are these, samples, I'm guessing? And then there's also a cool tip, a cool tip, tools, tips, and terminology. And how to use your pen rest, sturdy board. I think they've provided that as well. Wow, love it. Love it, love it. And then you get some, oh, so you've got 3 space nibs, 4 space nib. So you can place this beneath your practice sheet so that you have a guide. So basically it's that, or is that? That is equivalent to that. So, okay, beautiful. Okay, I'm guessing that because it has variations of nib widths, you can use this over and over again to underneath your practice, you know, your little practice sheet, so that you have a guide. Yeah, and this will be used in future projects, in future yeah, worksheets. Oh wow. Guess this is there's a possibility of reproducing this as well, just so that if you get ink in there you don't lose it. So I might do that. I don't know whether that is okay, but I will ask Ali. And then you have the project details. Oh, hello, there you are. You got that. And you've got some little bits. So wine glass, you've got the template. And then you've got the words. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, and you get, what are these? Oh, you get extra bits and pieces as well. You get a board. You get a very thick, this is a lovely paper or cardstock. It's a special cardstock, if I say so. And some lovely kind of like different types of paper. So this is cream colored, which is like, I wouldn't say 150 or maybe thicker paper. And you get a what do you call this? Oh my god, not acetate sheet, but like a vellum sheet. Yeah, very thick vellum sheet, and a very pretty paper as well. Wow. Okay, this will be a lovely thing to do on times and that you just want to practice writing, or just do something, you know, different. And you can apply it into I can apply it in my journaling, in my journals. All right, so that is it, guys. That is my Crafty PenGwyn box. I love it and I can't wait to use it. So the next, I think the next time you'll see me is I'm gonna try and practice or show you what I've done and practiced. Yeah, and perhaps more Crafty PenGwyn box in the future, because I want to try and learn something new for next year. Calligraphy, my handwriting has just gone awful over the years, so I just want to kind of like practice it back and make it more legible, or make it more beautiful. You know, I can use it in my, I can use the skills to either write some cards, create some cards, use it in my journal layouts, and use it in my planner if I have a nice planner next year. Still debating that. I probably will have a basic planner. But yeah, just really just writing lovely notes to friends. Yeah, so hope you like what I've shared. And I will leave the details for the Facebook group, Crafty Bonbons Facebook group, down below in the description box, as well as the details for Gwyneth's Instagram and Crafty Ali's Instagram. And I will see you soon, where I get to play with this stuff. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.